Yeah, thank you, man.
I think sometimes that can actually be more powerful than the music, really, you know?
Yeah.
When the words are done right? Absolutely, right?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay, so I think we're all set. We'll just wait one more second here. All ready? All right, give it up here for Joseph Pasquale.
All right, thank you. Yeah, Joe Pasquale, I'm going to read a couple poems I wrote. The first one is called Sounds of Darkness and Sounds of Light. Listen, listen, listen to the teardrops striking prison. Listen, listen, listen to our souls crying as birth realizes death and shudders our eyes to the dark soul, bone and flesh. Listen, listen, listen to every tear of the page which can't be undone. Far beyond, behind our eyelids, where light is a storm to the dark, and all our unripened fruits, never seen, hide and secretly rot. Listen, listen, listen to the dying dew on the meadows. Under every fruit that goes sour, to each their own a bittersweet fate as we each near our final hours. For without light, life cannot reign, such bitter sour juices for tempted senses to refrain. Listen, 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 can you hear the light defy dark ears? To unlearn the stolen souls of their hearts' petty rush to fool's gold, left no longer free, left broke in arrears. Listen, 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 until every rash voice goes cold in your ears. Be ceased and erased. Listen, 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 until not even desolation utters a sound in your place. Thank you. It was called Sounds of Darkness and Sounds of Light. The next one I'm going to read is also a piece that I wrote, and it's called Meltdown of the Snowmen, Meltdown of the Warm People, the Cold People. In one day, the star rose. In one day, they fought the light. In one day, a hot rain fell down and melted their bodies of snow and ice. And glory was lost in the morning, and shame became night. In one day sunk their cold footsteps in a flood, and I stood up to their blood, drowning at my brows, to keep back their heart's evil flesh from singeing me, as if judged by fire, but no fire was found. In one day, nothing but lumps of coal eyes fell on the ground. Black, dead, fossils buried in their land, left unseen before the first green blades of grass began. In one day, pools of water, lakes, and rivers were born, and all evils to live new history were unlearned. In one day, new seeds, new fruits, and new choices emerged. And I rose from flesh to red mist, and I returned from 2 years of confusion back to one word, never to be burned by the mists and vapors or the ghosts carrying me away, as I rose back up to the heavens from where I came. In one day I became clouds and water, rain and light, preparing new seeds and fruits for the new tree of life. No longer forsaken by shame, back to something from nothing I became. In one day, nothing from something, and this is where I echoed a shot of Eliot's voice in my ear. In one day I found a new beginning in my end, where the end became my beginning without any end. In the new time when all darkness becomes light, and everything ever gone wrong is made right. And all time is forsaken by shame, and all shame is forever forsaken by time. In one day when all the hearts of cold men turned warm, I was reborn, eternal. I was reborn in one day. Thank you so much.
Joe Pasquale, thank you. That was great. Yeah. It's like lyrics without music, but also even more because you know what's interesting is that you see everybody's putting on a show tonight, right? This is a show, guys. It's not like your typical open mic where people are just kind of standing there boring, singing. No, this is like serious stuff here because everybody's getting that video and it's definitely rocking. If you just came in, once again, you can be checking in with Nancy. And if you're already here, then that's good. That's a good thing here. Okay, now we've got John Kwong. Where'd John go? There he is.